Hey YouTube, what is going on? It's DJ Show1 King Legend coming at you here with another unboxing video. What I have here is the SKAR SKA7eq. So what this is a 7-band preamp graphic equalizer. Alright, and it's made by SKAR Audio, okay? So I do have a head unit and I have some amplifiers. I will show you later. But it seems like it's missing something when it comes to fine tuning. And being a sound system guy, you know, I know my audio, you know what I mean? I know when things need a little bit more fine tuning, adjusting or whatever, and I can't get that with the head unit, right? So what I have here is a graphic equalizer. That's a preamp built in, and this should help me fine tune, you know, my audio the way I want it, all right, in the truck. All right, so if you've watched my my truck video with installing the radio and the amplifiers and so forth, all right, this will be in addition to all that, all right? I'll let you see the hookup later on, how I did all that. So what you have here, skipping steps, the owner's manual, all right, all that good stuff. All right, just let you see all that real quick. All right. Okay. All right. Not much to the manual. It's pretty much straightforward. All right. Throw that back in the box. All right. So here's the baby here. All right. Nice weight to it. This is not light at all. It's probably about a good 3 pounds. Alright, nicely wrapped plastic. SKAR is pretty good product. All their stuff hasn't failed me yet. You know, I love their speakers. I haven't tried their amplifiers, but I'm willing to give them a try. Alright, so what we have here on this, I'm not sure if you can see, is all your outputs, inputs, and so forth. You have your fronts, you have your rears, everything is labeled nicely. So this tells you to see your outputs right here. Alright, you have your left and rights. Alright, here's your main in from your head unit. Alright, even has an auxiliary in, so you can put something other than your head unit, plug it in. You know, maybe you want to plug in your smartphone, or maybe you have some other sort of device that you want to put in here, a CD changer or whatever the case may be you want to run separately. You can do that. All right, and you also have a sub out, which is nice. All right, so you can control your subwoofer separately. All right, and you also have an aux gain, so you have a separate gain for your aux. Okay. All right, so let you see the front. So you can see that. All right. By the way, I'm using the Canon VF1. All right, camera. All right, so I'm just checking out all the knobs here. See, everything is nice. All right, and these knobs are tight. They're not wobbly like some products. I'm not going to call any names, but these are very tight, not wobbly at all. Okay, and they do have a stopping point midway. Halfway there is a stopping point, so you know when you've reached halfway. All right, and this is your button for your aux in right here. This is your volume for your mains, front and rears. And you also have a separate sub level. All right, now that is nice. I like that. All right, so I think this will be a big improvement in my truck sound system in the Tahoe build I did. All right, so I'm not going to show me hooking it up or anything, but I will show when it's connected and how it looks, because I'm pretty sure there's lights behind these knobs, which would be really nice. All right. Alright, so nice quality build. Alright, does leave a little fingerprint, but that's alright. Everything is good. Let's see what this little switch is right here. Okay. This is a low frequency switch. Alright. So we'll figure this out later on. See what this does, alright? So there you have it. Ska7eq, and this is made by SKAR. Alright, you've got your wire inputs. You have your positive here. This will go to your battery. It's the constant power. Now it doesn't come with the ground wires or the remote wires, alright? You get 2 brackets to mount it wherever you want. Get your screws. Alright. So pretty much that's it. Alright, so this is DJ Shaw1 King Legend. I'm going to pause this and get right back at you with it all hooked up, alright? Stay tuned.